What's going on, you handsome devils? What's happening? All right, let's have a look at what's going on. Jasmy, the top mover of the day, guys. We're going to have a look at it and what is going on with Onyx Coin and Visa. Let's talk about it, guys. Let's get into it. Like we do, market continues to look fantastic. Jasmy up 28.5% on the day, up 21.3% on the week, down 0.6% on the month, and up 519% on the year. Told you so. That's all I can say. We're up 8 spots in rank to 72, a $1.54 billion market cap, 461 million in volume. Volume skyrocketed today, guys. Absolutely amazing. Let's go have a look at what XCN is up to as well. Up 1.2% on the day, up 28.9% on the week, 1,403% on the month, and 2,592 on the month. If you are over on the Patreon, aren't you glad that you got in on this project with me back in like last March? Because guess what? The fee of your membership for the Patreon paid for itself for a lifetime on this play, right? So basically, people are missing out on free money at the end of the day if you're not over on the Patreon, man. We're looking at 3 more gems right now that are going to go nuts, you guys. I am so excited about it. I can't even think, man. I can't even think. All right, let's have a look at Jasmy's chart, guys. The old I told you so coming through. Look at that move on Jasmy today, guys. Broke above the 200-day, the 100-day, the 30-day, and we are outside of this falling wedge, this bull flag, right? Sorry, this bull flag. We've now retested the top of the trend line on the bull flag. So it looks as though, to me, we are going to continue now to the upside here, similar to what XCN has been doing, guys. Jasmy has been primed and due for a while. And I have been telling you guys know it. You've been here every day. I've been telling you it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Boom. And as soon as it popped, I started getting messages from people saying, do you think Jasmy's going to drop again so I can buy more? You can't make this stuff up, guys. All right, going over to XCN's chart. What do we have over there? All right, so we closed inside this bull flag, guys, or bull pennant, sorry, very, very bullish. Like we pulled back down inside of this bull pennant earlier today, guys, and people were like, oh my God, we're crashing. No, we're not crashing. We're consolidating, right? This is standard operating procedure for crypto, right? This is not bearish at all. We are in the top, the tippy top of a bullish structure right now. We could pull all the way down here to the bottom trend line around 2 cents 76, and we'd still be inside of a bull pennant, guys. We'd still be bullish, okay? We could wick all the way down here to 2 cents 4, and then wick right back up inside of here before this candle closes, and we would still be in a bullish structure. There's nothing bearish about what's happening with XCN right now, guys. The only question is, will we break out tonight, or will we ping pong inside of here? We may very well do this, guys. We may do this and ping pong inside of here for another week and a half before going, right? That's possible too. It's very, very healthy, especially after all these monstrous moves from Onyx Coin. It's very healthy to consolidate. In fact, honestly, I mean, some people are looking at, I've seen other people on other channels looking at this on the 4-hour chart, right? Some people are calling this a head and shoulders pattern, right? On the 4-hour. Potentially, yeah. Could be, guys. This could drop all the way down to around 1.7, around this blue line right here. We could see XCN drop all the way down to here. So what I would say is that, me personally, if it does drop down to that level, where is it? Where's my, right here, right? This blue line here. If we drop down to these levels here, I'm scooping up a whole bunch more, guys. But just be prepared that that's a possibility. We could drop down to around 1 cent 7. And that would be okay. That would be perfectly fine, right? For that. Now, listen, as of right now, that bull flag or that head and shoulders pattern is not translating to the daily time frame, right? Yet. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, we could ping pong inside of here for another week and a half, and it would be perfectly normal. It'd be standard operating procedure, guys. It would be nothing to worry about, right? But I know there still will be some people who freak out and panic, but that's just the nature of the game that we play, right? So once again, guys, we bounced off of the $106,200 resistance level, the massive sell wall that we have there. The more we chip away at it, guys, the more we hit this line and reject off, the more likely the chances are we will break through it at some point soon, okay? We have to chip away at that sell wall until it's gone. We have 3 daily candles, green candles in a row here. So right now we've got kind of a spinning top candle on Bitcoin. So it's green to neutral right now. So so that's good. So we just kind of wait to see what the continuation is for Bitcoin. Now let's go have a look here at the liquidation levels and see what's happening. So a lot of the people who had longs in, I think that they realized that, that they were going to get liquidated, because look at, they closed all their positions. There's only about 5. It would have to drop to, if it dropped to 102,500, only 579 million would get liquidated. Over here on the long side, if we jump to 107,467 million gets liquidated. So we're not too heavy on the leverage right now, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing, right? So we'll see how things play out with that, but it's looking healthy. It's looking healthy. That's very, very good. Very, very good. All right, let's get into the news for Jasmy and Onyx Coin here. So courtesy of contributor to the channel, Jetpack, community member, you know him, you love him, my guy. Visa Developer Center, the platform which was first announced last year, run by working with Chain to build Visa's B2B connect using the Chain core and enterprise blockchain infrastructure that facilitates financial transactions on scalable private blockchain networks. Managed by Visa, end-to-end Visa B2B Connect will facilitate a consistent process to manage settlements through Visa's standard practices. Where do we start? We'll start up here. The product was designed with an API-first strategy as it aims to harness the power of the global developer community to enable a smarter cross-border B2B payment flow. That is why we say it is like a poor man's XRP right now. It is in the early stages, like XRP was back in 2017, guys, right? Could not be more bullish about that, guys. Check out Onyx Coin here. They say last chance to receive your gas refunds in January. If you claim your XCN staking rewards, the cutoff is midnight UTC tomorrow on the 31st, which is tonight, I think, right? Any claims after this will be in February's refunds. So if you don't know what this is about, guys, we passed a proposal over on the protocol about 3 months ago where you get your Ethereum gas fees reimbursed to you the first weekend of every month from the previous month for staking, for claiming your rewards, and for voting on the DAO. So you might get airdropped your Ethereum gas fees that you paid this month back, right? Not you may, you will. So don't be surprised if you do, if you participated in any of those actions, okay? Just so you guys know. Pretty cool little thing. Pretty cool little thing. That's the bonus of having a decentralized project, right? SAM1K, guys, Blake says, this is the most important thing I've ever come across with the given market volatility in play. Jasmy's exchange reserves have been depleted 2.12% within the last 24 hours. And this seems like a recipe for violent price discovery. Lo and behold, we may very well be amongst the early stages of something revolutionary. As I've thought of myself for so long, this is what some call destiny. Yes, exactly. The supply of Jasmy continues to dissipate from exchanges, guys. Could be nothing but good news. And finally, from Jesse, KIR Finance, my guy, Jasmy Ambassador, my brother from another mother. He says Jasmy is the #1 gainer on CoinMarketCap today. Top of the charts, baby. Boom. Look at that. You love to see it. And the funny thing is, just 24 hours ago, people were asking me if Jasmy was dead. Now, funny story, guys. A little bit of a segue here. We do a live over on the Patreon every single night. And one of the people asked me over on the Patreon last night, hey, Rob, I have, X amount of money, and I'm looking for a shorter term project or two that I could get into that you think is going to break out soon, right? And what did I tell him? I said, if it was me, man, I'd probably put that chunk into Jasmy. And here we are. Puts his money into Jasmy, and we are up 29.7% on the day. We start our breakout immediately. So what can I say except you're welcome, right? That's what we do, guys. We help people make money over on the Patreon. We cannot give you financial advice, but we can help guide you with our experience and tell you what we would do in these types of scenarios. Over the last 2.5 weeks, guys, we have had 20 members over on the Patreon announce, not just to me, but to the entire community over on the Patreon, that they have officially hit a 7-figure portfolio because they are a member of our Patreon. That is the goal. That is the standard. That is what we expect over there, guys. That's why we look at these gems we get in early, like XCN. We were buying XCN in March of last year, guys. That's how early you get in on these plays. You wait a few months, and boom, it pumps up 3,000%, and then you just sit back and take your profits, baby. And by the time you're taking your profits, guess what? We're looking at other gems while everyone's paying attention to XCN and it's pumping. You're taking your profits, and we're rolling them into the projects that are going to pump in another 6 to 8 weeks, right? Compounding those gains. That's how we print millionaires over there, guys. That's what we do. That's how we play. It is a fun time. So come on over, guys. Get involved on these projects before they pump 3,000%, not after, not when they're popular, not when all these other channels start talking about them. Get in beforehand, guys. We're looking at 3 gems right now that are going to pop off like XCN did. That's what I'm looking at. We also do lives over there every single day. So join our live video calls, our group live video calls. They're a phenomenal time, guys. And you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So get on over there, guys. The link's down below. Join the community. We have over 1,000 members over there, guys. And everyone is so helpful. So many veterans over there giving tips, advice, guidance based on experience. You need help with exchanges. You need help with wallets. You need help finding something or understanding something. Get on over there, guys. We'd love to have you. Join the community. Join the lives and schedule your one-on-ones. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys later.